Hi guys, welcome back to Food and Mood Creations. It's been like 2 months since I posted anything. I've been working really hard. I've made up some updates to the site. I've been freelancing so that I can make more money to create content for you guys. So I will try to be more consistent going forward. I plan to upload more content, so just stay tuned. So today we're making keto chocolate protein waffles. In this bowl there is almond flour, cacao powder, sugar-free sweetener, and baking powder, and I'm just going to whisk that to combine. Now I'm going to add the eggs and milk and whisk that to combine. So one of the interesting health benefits I found about cacao powder is that it has a positive impact on serotonin levels, which could mean that it could have like an antidepressant effect. So now I'm just adding like 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm going to whisk that to combine. A health benefit of almond flour is that it contains vitamin B2, which can decrease your risk of developing certain cancers. This is the waffle iron that I use. I sprayed it with non-stick cooking spray and let it preheat, and now I'm just going to add about 1/3 of a cup to the waffle iron. So this is how the waffle came out. I'm just going to remove it from the waffle iron and continue cooking the rest of the waffles. So something really interesting and exciting happened. Food and Mood Creations got featured on Feedspot's top 100 blogs. It's really exciting because millions of people publish content on the internet every day, and just to be featured, it just makes me really happy. The link to that article is in the description box below, so check it out. This is how the waffles came out. They were really good. I just sprinkled a little bit more of cacao powder and sugar-free sweetener on top of it. I also added some carob chips and coconut, but you could add whatever you want to it. If you want detailed instructions on how to make these keto chocolate protein waffles, the link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.